In this video guide, I will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Farattack. This particular ransomware attacks many Windows computers all over the world today. In the video, you'll find out what exactly the ransomware does with the files and why it is called Farattack. So, before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without any problems. We can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation pretty easily. Unfortunately, this particular ransomware may some way or another be injected into the computer. This happens because of certain vulnerabilities in the system. As you can clearly see, this ransomware pretty immediately encrypts the files. But if you have noticed some of your files to be encrypted and some not, it's a good idea that you go to the task manager and consider looking for suspicious processes. If you find some processes related to the ransomware, it's a good idea that you terminate them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. The ransomware puts this scary message mentioning that your files have been encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom to restore them. However, I strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. You should not use these email addresses for contacting these developers of the ransomware because there is no guarantee that your files will be recovered. So do not pay the ransom. However, the files are indeed affected and people see that this Farattack extension has been added. Well, first thing you should do is to remove the ransomware. I suggest that you do it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it through this green download button. Install the program, then click on Start Scan button and begin researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the contemporary ransomware type threats. Its premium version has got anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be always protected against possible ransomware attacks. So, after the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give you the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on your system, but we recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license of the program to remove all such threats automatically. And there is a special button here called Request Trial, so you may request free trial of Combo Cleaner Premium. With Premium version, all your files will always be protected. So consider the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure that your system is free of threats and that your files are always under protection.